Hello, I am Bhavin Shah from AI Sintra. Let me ask you a simple question. How much time does your team spend manually collecting data from websites? Events pages, directories, listings, public platforms, opening multiple tabs, copy-pasting into Excel, fixing formats, and still ending up with incomplete data. The data already exists. The problem is the process. At AI Sintra, we build custom web scraping tools that turn public websites into clean, structured, Excel-ready data. You simply share the website URL and tell us what information matters to you. For example, event names, dates, locations, topics, or registration links. Our automation extracts all the required data and delivers it in a ready-to-use Excel file. No manual research, no technical setup, no messy spreadsheets. Let me give you a quick example. Imagine you want to track industry events for the current quarter. Instead of searching event websites one by one, you provide the event page URL once. The output? A single Excel file with all events, complete details, and consistent formatting, ready for planning or analysis. This approach is already being used across industries, including healthcare, where teams need accurate, structured data from public sources to support faster research and reporting. We focus only on publicly available data, follow controlled processes, and deliver outputs that business teams can act on immediately. The goal isn't scraping for the sake of scraping. The goal is decision-ready data. If your team is still collecting web data manually, there's a better way. Reach out to AI Sintra and we'll show you how a custom scraper can be built specifically for your use case. Thank you. See you in next video.